for my business, including promoting affiliate offers and working with clients. My favorite features include the ability to create campaigns without the old school hassles and in way less time. I am happy to recommend Super Affiliate AI to everyone.
Hello, my name is Anthony Smith and I use Super Affiliate AI for affiliate marketing. I'm not a business person as per se, but I am a YouTuber and I do have a lot of affiliate links. So I thought I'd buy that because it would be useful to me, and it has been. So I really do recommend it because I enjoy the fact that it gives you a lot of choice of different affiliate links to choose from, and you can um, pick and choose a lot of different choices there. That's what I like about it, and I would be happy to recommend it to anybody. So if you want to buy it, please do so. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Ayman Shalabi from Vertipreneur, and this is a quick shout out to Andrew and to just tell you about my experience with Super Affiliate AI. Um, I've been playing around with AI, and I have tons and tons of tools because honestly, it's a paradigm shift. Like what we're going through as marketers nowadays with AI is mind blowing. The one thing that differentiates Super Affiliate AI is there's not a lot of fluff, right? It's very consistent. You can write content, and you also have the marketing part, the Google ad, LinkedIn ad, YouTube. What really for me is different from all the tens of tools that I've been playing with is the custom prompt. Because with the custom prompt, you can basically tell the system or Super Affiliate AI what you want. And believe it or not, I'm not a writer. I actually have a book on Amazon right now. And what I did is I researched some niches, and then in the custom prompt, I said, well, I want an outline for a book in this niche, and I explained a little bit. And then I asked it to develop some chapter titles for me, and I was able to complete this amazing book. And it's all about anti-aging and this woman's journey to to discover anti-aging secrets, and it's actually selling on Amazon. In 1 week, I was able to have a book on Amazon and sell it. Now, I don't know what else to say. I mean, as far as the marketing part, I'm also developing my own platform to help newbies and stuff like that. And I've been relying on Super Affiliate AI for all my content and ideas. It's like chatting with a friend. And I don't want to go overboard and extend. This is enough. And I hope, Andrew, thank you so much for an amazing system. And I hope you guys go out and check it out and get it as soon as you can because you love it. Thank you.
Yeah, hi there. Uh, yeah, I do use AI super affiliate for my business, and I'll tell you what, it makes things a lot easier. As far as the best features, I like using it on YouTube scripts that I can do really quick. It's ass kicking. And I would very well go ahead and would like to let you know how happy I am on using the AI, Super AI. Anyway, thank you guys very much. Hey, get a hold of it. You will never regret it. See ya.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Chris Adams here, founder and CEO of Absolute Value Online Solutions. And I just want to tell you how awesome Super Affiliate has been in the startup of my digital freelance marketing company, where we do the best to try and put packages together to get people started in the online space with low cost, high value. And what can I say? Super Affiliate has been absolutely amazing and helped me create landing pages, create emails, and the most value I've found out of it is creating social media captions. The emojis, the clear, concise explanations. not too long, not too short, to really get my point across just at a click of a button. So I'd be happy to recommend Super Affiliate to anyone that's interested, and I actually also recommend it to my customers and clients. So don't miss out. Go check it out. The power of AI is taking over, and Super Affiliate is definitely leading the pack in this technology. Take care.